Parking lot over there is like kind of muddy.
Oh god.
Hold on, what's up before we have to walk back over? Excuse me, buddy.
Sorry. This is crazy. It looks like a tropical rainforest.
It does, yeah, you're right.
That's kind of why I like it here, because everything is green, and then when it rains, it's real pretty here.
Start to believe this is the middle of a city.
Yeah, right? So it's kind of fun. So, like, if you look at Pittsburgh, it's a bunch of, like, small villages that they basically just, like, clump together. And that's how you have, like, your boroughs and your, like, provinces and all kinds of
Yeah.
pretty interesting.
Yeah, let's not here like slide down. Don't push it, what's going on with that? Just slide down the road.
Nice.